So let's proceed with automation through macro recording. As you can see, I'm quickly deleting all the ActiveX controls which I had created, because macro cannot be assigned to ActiveX control. I need form button. Quickly take a button, name it, and then click on record macro, and then do all the steps manually that needs to be automated. Our steps involve opening 3 files, copying the data from it, and pasting it in master sheet. Basically collating, doing all the automative steps manually first, so that the macro does its job. It records all the steps. And while I do this, very important, every time I need to click to save the file, because if I'm pasting the data and I'm not saving the file, saving the data in the file, after the automation is completed, there would be no output. I've entered the data, I've done it once. I'll close all the files, stop recording of the macro, take a form control button, assign the macro which we just created. I will add one message box so that it's very easy for me to know that the macro running is complete. So let's go ahead and click on the button. Let's name the button. Yes. And then when I click, it does its job. All the steps which it did manually is now recorded, and the button is doing the job for us. Thank you.